Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best water dispenser replacement parts that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Water Dispenser Replacement Parts. The Direct Water Dispenser Market Report firstly introduced the basics, definitions, classifications, applications and market overview, product specifications, manufacturing processes, cost structures, raw materials and so on. Then it analyzed the world's main region market conditions. Number 5. Tomlinson 1018854 Replacement Cooler Faucet. This cooler faucet is interchangeable with any HFSL faucet. Fits 3/4 inch. Main features: bagged and shipped complete with 2 washers. Tomlinson HFS faucet for ceramic water dispensers. Lock open handle provides regulated flow. Number 4. Tomlinson 1018851 Plastic Faucet. This water cooler faucet has a polypropylene body with 3/4 -16 UNF threads. This water cooler faucet is shipped in an individual bag complete. Main features: ceramic crock lever faucet. NSF listed. Thread size, 3/4 inch. Number 3. Tobe Life Water Bottle Pump Water Pump for 5-gallon bottle. Our water jug pump does not contain BPA, the interior is made of food-grade silicone tube. The appearance is stainless steel material, high-density ABS plastic, non-toxic. Main features: safe and reliable. High compatibility. Easy to use. Number 2. Bang Bang Water Bottle Pump BPA-free electric drinking water pump. Water dispenser 5-gallon used 1800 mAh rechargeable Li battery power, continuous powerful using up to 4 to 6 bottles 5-gallon water pumping. Main features: safe and health materials. USB rechargeable Li battery. Better compatibility. Number 1. Water Bottle Pump for 5-gallon bottle USB charging with automatic shut-off function. This small water bottle pump, you only need to put it on the top of the bottle and it is easy to use, will pump the water. Main features: USB rechargeable Li battery. Automatic shut-off functions. Better compatibility. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.